Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to increase and how to decrease screen recording bitrate in Realme 14x phone. So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings, then we need to open accessibility and convenience. Next we need to scroll down to screen recording, and here in the picture section we have our definition, frame rate, etc. So we are interested in definition option. So the easiest way to change our bitrate is simply use these presets. We have high, medium and low, as you can see, but we also have our custom option. So for example, we can have a high resolution and we can change bitrate for it if we want to. And we can leave our custom option on. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you.